What up, YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. Box 5, Topps Finest. 2 mini boxes. I guess I better keep that. Looking for a couple autographs, autograph patch, dual relic, whatever. I just hope it's something stupid, disgusting. You guys deserve it, for sure. Mini box 1. 2010 Topps Finest. Alright, good luck, guys. Here we go. Pack 1, mini box 1. Jimmy Clausen rookie and Brent Celek refractor, number 19 of 99, Panthers and Eagles. Cards are really nice looking. It's a thick pack. Let me just make sure the bottom one is so thick, like always. Well, at least when I've seen people break them anyway. This is my first box I've broken into this stuff, but Monty Edwards and Deshaun Jackson refractor, Monty Edwards rookie card. Ryan Matthews rookie card, and that's pretty sick. A refractor of Peyton Manning. Check out that Peyton Manning. It's like one of the atomic refractors, but not really. It's not numbered or anything, but sick card. Peyton Manning. Gotta love Peyton Manning. It's numbered. Oh yeah, you're right. It is numbered, Chad. Chad, you're on it, boy. It is numbered. 399. Numbered 145 of 399. Dexter McCluster rookie card and refractor of Marcus Easley. Yeah, it's hard to see the numbering on those. I didn't realize it was on the front. Chad is right. Joe McKnight rookie card and a Finest Moments rookie card of Toby Gerhart, both not numbered. And here's our hit. Good luck. Who's it going to be? It's going to be a running back. It's a running back. 2-color patch autograph, number 291 of 400 for the Steelers, Jonathan Dwyer. Jonathan Dwyer. Got a lot of potential to get some playing time. At least it's a 2-color patch. Number 400. So sick. Anybody else froze? The refractor was Brandon LaFell, numbered 84 of 399. 84 of 399. So pretty sick. Another mini box. I'll come back with video 2 of the mini box because I got some people that are frozen here. So I'm going to stop this and we'll come back with mini box 2. Bum in a Suit out.